Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises a fresh, dewy glow with the kind of radiance you can rock all day. If you're into effortless beauty that feels as good as it looks, this might just be your new best friend. We're talking about the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Glow Tint, a liquid formula designed to give you that naturally luminous look, whether you're going for a fresh face or a more polished vibe. So, let's get into the details and see if it's as glowing as it sounds. This product comes in the shade 16N Fair Light Neutral, which is described as a balanced tone for fair to light skin with both warm and cool undertones. It's a versatile pick for those looking for a neutral flush that isn't too warm or too cool, just a healthy, lit from within look. The formula itself is free from harsh ingredients like formaldehyde, oxybenzone, parabens, and phthalates, which is a great win for those looking for cleaner beauty options. When you first apply it, you'll notice that the texture is super lightweight. It's not a heavy cream or paste, but rather a smooth liquid that blends easily. And that's key, it doesn't sit heavy on the skin, making it perfect for layering or wearing on its own. A little goes a long way too. You don't need much to get that subtle, radiant finish. I like to squeeze a small amount onto the back of my hand and then use either a dense brush or my fingers to blend it into the skin in circular motions. The directions recommend starting from the center of the face and blending outward, which is a great way to keep everything looking natural and not overdone. Now, in terms of performance, it delivers on its promise of a juicy, glowy finish. The Maracuja Juicy Glow Tint blends beautifully into the skin, and while it doesn't claim to be a full coverage product, it provides just enough to enhance the skin's natural texture without feeling heavy or cakey. It's one of those products that you can use to brighten up your complexion in minutes without any fuss. Whether I wore it on a low-key day or as a base under makeup for a night out, it kept my skin looking fresh all day long. However, I have a few points to note. While the formula feels great initially, if you have extremely oily skin, you might need a touch of setting powder, as it does give a dewy finish that could slide around by midday if you're not careful. For dry skin though, it's like a drink of water for your face, leaving it plump and glowing without clinging to any dry patches. As for value for money, it sits at a higher price point for a liquid tint, but the quality is there. The clean formulation is definitely a plus, and if you love a natural, luminous look, this one's a solid choice. Plus, it's versatile enough to use in multiple ways, so you're definitely getting your money's worth if you're a fan of light, glowing products. In terms of alternatives, there are a few more affordable options out there if you're on a tighter budget. Brands like ELF and NYX offer similar glowing tints and liquids that can achieve a comparable effect, though the ingredient lists might not be as clean. If you're willing to splurge a little more, Charlotte Tilbury and Glossier also have some amazing glow tints that compete with this one. The packaging is simple but sturdy. The squeeze tube is easy to use and perfect for controlling how much product you dispense. I wouldn't say the packaging feels overly luxurious, but it's practical and does the job well. If you've had any issues with customer service, it's worth noting that Tarte's reputation for customer care is pretty solid, so you can expect prompt and helpful responses if needed. Now, as for the verdict, I think the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Glow Tint is an excellent option for anyone who loves a glowy, fresh-faced look without the heaviness of a full coverage product. Its lightweight, natural finish makes it suitable for various skin types, but I'd especially recommend it for those with dry to combination skin who want to enhance their complexion with a bit of radiance. If this review has been helpful to you, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay updated on more honest reviews like this. Your support really helps us keep making content that you love. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.